This is Japan Vlog Service. Hi YouTube, Michael Beckett here. So it's Sunday night, 9 o'clock or so. Terrible getting caught in the rain. Anyway, I'll get home soon. But yeah, we're having these weird rainstorms, which is not near Japan. It's too late in the season for typhoons to really cause any problem. But there's some tropical depressions out there in the Philippines, and it seems to be causing some pretty bad rain. Still, at least with the rain, I can take some high definition film rain. So yeah, we've got that going for me. Anyway, that's my little check-in for Sunday. I've been doing that a lot these days, forgetting what day it is, something like that. Not Alzheimer's, just me. Anyway, see ya. Bye.